very good full week.
Once again, we are on the portable chicken pen. Ta-da! Okay.
He's delirious, people.
Oh man.
Too much chicken pen, not enough sleep.
Anyway, we're gonna get this thing fixed up for these girls so they'll have a place to run around outside and get bugs and grass and just have a high old time. So I've got to redo the kitty cat. Are you helping today? Are you gonna do it? Hmm? Okay. This is Whiskers. Whiskers is my inspector. Yeah, you done got yourself in a spot, didn't you?
Oh, here comes this helper.
And this is Skittles. Aren't you, Skittles? At the same time we're working on this, I've got to keep an eye out for Spectrum people for our internet stuff to see if they're actually going to show up today to do anything. They're so courteous in calling you and then you know when they're going to be doing something. It's quite amazing.
Day 539 of the chicken pen build.
Well, hopefully this will be the last day on the chicken pen.
We want to give a huge shout out to Stanley St, whom we met at the Henderson County Beekeepers Association.
I went, and I told him, I said, well, does the hive belong to you? He said, well, no, it belongs to a friend of mine. I said, well, I'm not coming to take the honey out of it until I have his permission to do it.
Right, absolutely.
And, he called me back a little while later and said, well, he said, if you want the hive, it's yours. I said, okay. And it had a lean on it like that, only it was leaning the opposite way. The bottom board had rotted.
He came over to help us with the hive. So Stanley and Mark suited up, but I didn't put my suit on. I said, well, I won't need it. I'm going to keep back a safe distance from the hive. I'm just going to video. You can probably guess how that turned out. We both got multiple stings. And for the record, Mark said we should have had mine on video because I was waving my arms and yelling, which is the wrong thing to do, and I knew it. But in the moment, I did it anyway. We all survived, and the bees got a really nice home renovation. Thank you so much, Stanley.
One hive was extremely active. A very good, strong hive found the queen. A lot of bees on it. The other hive sitting there was empty as it could be, but yet it was full. Inside the hive, it was full of wasp nests. And bees are not going to be in there with wasps. Now, if a wasp tries to get into that hive that's down there now, there's so many of them, it'll kill it. They won't let it in. They'll defend their nest. But whenever it's not a very strong hive, they can get in there. And if you can see in there, there's wasp nests all in this box. I killed all the wasps that were on there. Anyway, you can see inside this one as well. There's just all kinds of wasp nests inside this thing. There's a few dirt daubers in there too. So we reset the hive up, made one stack, added a box to it so give them a little bit more room because there's a lot of bees in there. And so now that'll give us a little bit more space to create more honey to have for ourselves and then leave some for the bees as well. Because you can't rob the hive 100% of honey. You have to leave some for the bees to survive during wintertime. But I'm going to try my best to get them cleaned up and repainted maybe and try to reuse them.
We don't even have it in place yet, and we have our first casualty. This right here. What happened, you can barely see that, but see that? When Mark was dragging it out here with the tractor, and he turned, came around this way, the corner of the bucket apparently ripped into that. Only thing it could have been. So looks like we have a repair to make.
Okay, we're out here in the chicken pen. We finally got it built. This is moving day for the chickens. So we have a roosting area set up right here so that the chickens can roost on this, get up off the ground. And also we have the feeders in 4 locations in here and 2 water cans in here. So right now we're fixing to go get the chickens and bring them out here and turn them loose in here for the first time.
Oh, where'd my glove go?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen,
There it is.
once again,
The saga of the gloves. I'm always losing my glove.
yeah.
Hi, chickies. Aww.
Hi, girls. Yeah, we're gonna try to make you a little windbreak here. Trying to make you a little windbreak.
Look where the kitties are today. They're testing out the chicken pen to make sure it's good and sturdy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Give us a like, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know the routine. It really helps us out. We appreciate it very much. Leave us a comment and be sure to check out our other videos. We love you, but especially God loves you. At the Henderson County Beekeepers. Go ahead when you're ready.
Okay, stop it. My hair is a mess and you want me on camera?